Oh my goodness, you guys, hello, thanks for coming to my channel. We are making this beautiful pink marble soap. If you want to see how I created this beautiful masterpiece, oh my goodness, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Good day, good morning, good evening, good night. Hello everyone, I am Natasha and we are making pink marble soap today. Thank you for coming to my channel. Let's get right into this video. Just so that you know, I had to take a different approach to making this soap. I divided my entire batch into three. So I did not pre-mix my oils and lye together and have this one giant batch and separated it out. This time I got all my oils together and my lye is separate, and then I am mixing the lye and the oils separately for each layer of soap I'm going to make. I'm doing this because I really want to make those intricate lines. Like you see the table that I'm working on, see how those lines are kind of intricate. So I don't want the fragrance oil to start thickening my batter before I get a chance to get those nice little intricate lines. So I decided for each layer of this soap loaf I'm doing, I'm just going to mix it at the time, pour it out, and then mix the second layer of the design after I finish the first layer. I want to welcome all new subscribers. Thank you so much. I want to welcome all existing subscribers. Thank you so much. And I want to welcome all of you who are viewing my channel. We welcome you here at Natasha's Suds and Scents. I appreciate and value your time. Now guys, I'm going to tell you this now. Please appreciate this video. Like, subscribe, and share. You know why? Because I did this soap 4 times. The first time I did the loaf, the video decided it's gonna run out of memory. The second time, it came out atrocious. And the third time, which is this time, I forgot to press record and the second layer pouring isn't there. But I put pieces together. This video, you're going to be able to see how I made a design, so don't worry, I'm human and things happen, but we're going to make lemonade out of lemons. We are pouring. Now, I probably could have poured this a little slower, but I was okay with the way the colors were not muddying and they were detailed. Like I could see the pink layer, I could see the black. I didn't see a lot of muddying. Although some muddying is good, as you will see in the final product, the black kind of mixed with the white layer, and you get like these light little parts that's grayish. Oh my gosh, this soap right here came out so nice, you guys. But I never had so many technical issues in trying to capture how I created this soap in my life. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. I almost gave up. I'm not gonna lie, I almost gave up because every time I recorded a batch of this soap, something went awry. But like I said, we're not going to get too much in that anymore. I'm doing this now. You're able to see me put things together, and look at that layer. That layer looks so nice. And this is my new best friend. It definitely breaks up those, if you're trying to make a mica line, it breaks up the colorant really nicely. Look in the description box below. I'm going to put a link to where I got that tea strainer, and you guys can use my affiliate link and buy it. But it's really awesome, you guys. You need that. That got to be a staple tool in your tool chest of soap making. I forgot to press record, so you cannot see what I did on that layer. Am I angry? No. Do I sound angry? Oh my goodness, I searched for that footage like it existed, man. So I am now mixing the accent colors because I'm noticing that it's starting to thicken. So a lot of times when you have soap batter, you might be able to whisk it and get it to loosen up. So that's what I did, and here we go with the additional layer at the top. This is, I guess, considered the third layer at the top, and this is pretty much a repetitive step. I put the accent colors in a little at a time because I want white to be my base, and I want those accent colors to pop. And in order for that to happen, I don't want too much of the accent colors in the batter. But look at the pink. Look how the pink just add a little punch to the color of the soap, and then the black kind of makes it more neutral, and then the gold just makes it elegant. Like, this soap came out beautiful. At the end, I'm going to show you when I cut the first batch of soap I made and this batch of soap, so you can kind of see the difference in the design. But each time you do this soap, you guys, it comes out different, but each time it comes out beautiful, and you learn each time, okay, maybe I should thicken this colorant, maybe I should thin out this colorant. Like, you learn so much from doing this design over and over again, and I really loved how everything came out. I decided for this loaf of soap, I'm going to divide it in two. One side I'm going to cut in a horizontal way, and the other one I'm going to cut vertically, because I wanted to show you guys, depending on how you cut it, you can get a different design out of the soap. So I'm going to show you the first loaf I did where it was not cut. It was all in one, and I cut it vertically, and it came out nice. And then I'm going to show you this cut for this soap. Can we just take a moment to look at those colors? Can we just take a moment? This batch came out so nice. So nice. And I definitely wanted to at least show you when I was able to cut it. That I was able to record the end of this batch when I did this. This was batch number 1. So do you guys want to see what it looked like? Hold on to your hair plugs and let's see what we got. What? You're gonna tell me that don't look nice? You're gonna tell me that don't look nice? Look at that. It looks like pink marble. You can imagine this on your kitchen table if it was a whole marble plank. That looked nice. Do y'all guys see the heart? There it is. It's a heart. Isn't that so cute? It's a heart in the soap. I am crazy for soap, apparently. And it's the other one right there. So who said this don't look nice? If you said this, who said this don't look? I'm going to get the belt. I'm going to get the belt. There's no way you can tell me this don't look nice. This look nice. Look at the gold mica lines breaking up some of the color. Look at the gray. Remember I was telling you the black mixed with the white and you get a little bit of the gray? Look at that. That looks beautiful. And guys, when you wash with this soap, each layer that comes off, it's like another beautiful design. This soap came out awesome. Here's the second batch that I'm showing you. This is the one that I divided in two, and I'm going to cut this part vertically, so from up to down, so you can see at least one of the soaps that have a design in it. It's very similar to the one that we saw. There's some things I would definitely do differently as far as making the soap, but overall I think this came out really, really nice. Some of the soap came out a bit soft. I think that when I pre-mix my colors, I gotta be mindful of the oils that I'm pre-mixing in, but this came out really nice too. This has a little bit more pink in it, but I love the tops. Look how the tops just bring so much interest to the soap. Now the other side, I'm gonna cut horizontally, and the portion that I'm going to show you, you can see that one also looked like marble. Like it just had like a nice little slab mold, slab marble design to it. And now I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you soap with it. This came out it's just such a beautiful, elegant soap, you guys. It's so elegant. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. What does this look like it smelled like to you guys? Like this soap, what does it look like it smelled like to you? My friend said it smelled like cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. She's crazy. But what I want to tell you is you can't leave my channel yet because you have to watch the video on the left or the video on the right before you leave. But guys, protect your energy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.